braille displays can be connected to a computer or mobile device and can be used with screen readers to provide a more comprehensive and accessible reading experience. Color identification devices. Color identification devices are devices that can help individuals with visual impairments to identify colors. These devices use a camera to capture an image of the object being viewed and then provide an audible description of the color. Color identification devices can be particularly helpful for individuals with visual impairments who may have difficulty distinguishing between colors. Tactile graphics. Tactile graphics are three-dimensional representations of visual information that can be felt by touch. Tactile graphics can be created using a range of materials, including paper, plastic, and metal. They can be particularly helpful for individuals with visual impairments who need to access visual information, such as maps, graphs, and diagrams. Audio description. Audio description is a technique used to provide individuals with visual impairments with a description of the visual elements of a performance, such as a play, movie, or television show. Audio description can be delivered through a range of devices, including headphones or a handheld device, and can provide individuals with visual impairments with a more comprehensive understanding of the performance. Talking label devices. Talking label devices are devices that can be used to label and identify objects, such as food items, clothing, or medication. These devices use a barcode scanner or voice recognition technology to identify the object and then provide an audible description of the object. Talking label devices can be particularly helpful for individuals with visual impairments who may have difficulty identifying objects. Haptic feedback devices. Haptic feedback devices are devices that provide tactile feedback in response to a user's actions. Haptic feedback devices can be used to provide individuals with visual impairments with feedback as they navigate through a digital interface, such as a touchscreen or keyboard. Haptic feedback devices can help individuals with visual impairments to interact with digital devices more effectively. Audiobooks. Audiobooks are a popular assistive device for individuals with visual impairments. Audiobooks allow individuals to access printed materials, such as books and magazines, in an audible format. They can be played on a range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and dedicated audiobook players. Voice recognition software. Voice recognition software allows individuals with visual impairments to control digital devices using their voice. This technology can be used to control a range of devices, such as smartphones, computers, and smart home devices. Voice recognition software can be particularly helpful for individuals with visual impairments who may have difficulty using traditional interfaces, such as keyboards and touchscreens. Wearable navigation devices. Wearable navigation devices are wearable devices that provide individuals with visual impairments with audible directions and information about their surroundings. These devices can be worn on the wrist, as a pendant, or as a clip-on device. Wearable navigation devices can be particularly helpful for individuals with visual impairments who need assistance with navigation. Talking calculators. Talking calculators are devices that provide individuals with visual impairments with audible feedback as they perform calculations. These devices can be particularly helpful for individuals with visual impairments who need to perform calculations for work or school. Electronic note takers. Electronic note takers are devices that allow individuals with visual impairments to take notes in a digital format. These devices can be connected to a computer or mobile device and can be used with screen readers or braille displays to provide a more comprehensive and accessible note-taking experience.